Hello, fourth graders. All right, I want to start showing you how we're going to make this optical illusion. It's going to be pretty simple, and I'll have the steps also written on the board. Okay, so let's begin. My paper looks different than yours because I don't want to waste the square one paper. So I'm just doing it on a blank piece of white paper today, but it's the same size as yours. So I want you to draw a central dot. It doesn't mean it has to be in the center. It's just where your optical illusion is going to all converge and meet. So I am going to start making my dot right here, and then go up front and grab a ruler, and you are going to be making 12 lines that start at the center and they go out to the outer edge of your paper. Okay, and they don't have to be the same size. So let's see here. I'm going to start with a line going from my center point all the way out to the edge. That's one. I'm going to slide my ruler over, and I'm just going to keep going around. Two. Let's see, maybe I'll make this one a little bigger. Three. And four. I'm just rotating my paper. Five. They all go from this point though to the outer edge. Six. Seven. Eight. I might have to make some small ones because I don't have that much room. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here will be 8. Let's see. 9. Ooh, I'm gonna have to squeeze some in here. 10. I'm just cutting some in half. Oh, this one's pretty big. 11. And I'll cut this one in half. 12. All right, so now I have my 12 lines that all radiate from the center. Now I'm going to make my optical illusion lines that are that arching kind of line that I showed you before. You have to decide, do you want all the arches to go the same way, or will it be this one arches towards the center, this one arches the opposite direction? You decide how you want it. Either way is great. So I'm going to start in the center, and that's where I want you guys to start. And I think I'm going to make mine all go the same way. And it helps if you rotate your paper around. So I'm going to make mine all look like a letter C going around and have them connect. So this one starts right there where the last one left off. Like that. And in the middle, they're really small. Okay. Oh, that one's tiny. Then I'm going to meet back up. Okay, so I have my first row. Now, as I radiate out, I like to have the space between each of one of these get bigger and bigger and bigger. It helps the optical illusion. So I'm going to make that same shape, and I'm going to go around again. Turn your paper as you go around and keep going. All right, back to the beginning. There, I have them meet up again. I'm going to do it again, but now I'm going to increase the space like that, right there. I'm going to go out here just a little bit more. And remember, turn your paper. It does help, like a wheel. Spin it around. Keep going. There. And now I'm going to keep going. This one is so far apart, it goes off the paper. That's perfect. I love when art goes off the paper because your brain is so smart. Your eyes finish it. It knows that that's a curved line there because you started it. So when you start something, your eyes kind of finish it. So it's going to go off the paper again. And that one's going to go off. So a lot of these are going off the paper. And that's really going to help the optical illusion, actually. All right, now look at all of those went off the paper. It's starting to look pretty cool. Now I'm gonna have, oh, sorry about that, guys. All right, so I'm gonna have another line that arches out here like that. And now, after you're done, I want you to go over your lines with a Sharpie.